Hi, thought I'd check in. I've got a couple of boxes here. We'll just chat while I see what's in the boxes. I requested a bunch of donations for our guild's summer kickoff, and boxes have been coming in every single day. It's really exciting for me, but I just wanted to let you know that the update for the July Secret Scrap Challenge is going to be a little bit late, which it has been every month. So, I mean, we're rolling with it. It's fun, right? It's supposed to be fun. But it will be up by the end of the week. And meanwhile, I'm going to see what's in these boxes. You know, I've been working on my June blocks. Now, again, my challenge, my challenge, the project I chose for my challenge is actually something I'm working on for another video. But so it's going to be blocks. You know, my challenge for June, it's going to be blocks. It's not finished. There's no pressure here. Okay, so this box is from, oh, this one is from, look at, oh my goodness, Organ Needle. No, this one's from Paper Pieces. And they sent these little sample packs with the hexes and the fabric, Learn to English paper piece, and it makes a little hexy flower. They sent, look guys, look, they sent so many. So everybody who comes to the guild kickoff will get one of these in their little prize bag. And guys, if you're in the Austin area and you're curious about the Austin Area Quilt Guild, come. It's low pressure. It's Monday, July 7th. It's going to be so much fun. We're going to play. It's just fun. Play games, have prizes, get free swag. And it's good swag, guys. In fact, one of my boxes I opened the other day. Look. Look what Eliso sent. Thank you, Eliso. They sent this for our guild. So this is going to be a door prize. I'm very excited. So Paper Pieces sent that, and they sent their catalog. So those will be prizes as well. And I'm going to add that to my literal tower of boxes right over here. I'll show you that at the end. And I've got another box here, and this one I believe is from, yes, from Japan, from Organ Needle Company. Guys, they were so kind in our correspondence, and I can't wait to see them at Quilt Market and chat with them and tell them thank you in person. They asked me, they're like, what do you need? How can we support you? We'd love to come and talk to your guild about our needles. I mean, they were just above and beyond. Above and beyond. In fact, everybody who has sent product and literature above and beyond. We have things from Aurifil. We have the Eliso iron. We have things from Needle Education from Smets. What else is it? The Warm Company. The other one, Quilter's Dream Batting. Dritz overwhelmed me with their generosity. And if you're on the Austin community, Austin Area Quilt Guild community page on Facebook, you saw a picture, and that's the tip of the iceberg, guys. So, oh my goodness. This box is chock full of needles. Top stitch needle. You guys. Look. And all I did was ask. I sent, and like I say, these are for the guild. These are not for me personally. We have top stitch. We have universal. We have anti-glue, non-stick needles. Oh, we're going to have so much fun. We have Microtex embroidery in universal. And we have titanium needles. You guys, thank you, Organ Needle Company. These are amazing. I cannot wait to share them with the guild. And like I say, these are not for me personally. This is my job as programs director of our guild. Our program is the summer kickoff, and we're going to play have all these crazy games. I wish you could all be here. I wish we could all have fun and have our summer picnic together. It would thrill me to no end. In fact, I'm thinking about, I don't know, there's an idea brewing about a retreat sometime in the future. Let me know in the comments if that's something you'd be interested in. But look, overwhelmed with just gratitude. Gratitude. Here, let me show you really quickly the pile, the growing tower of donations that we have received. It's something else, guys. All right, now don't mind the rest of my messy room, but look at this. With the exception of that Amazon box right there, all of that, not the kitty cat. Hi, Poofus. All of this for donation. And I know already about a handful more that are still coming in. I'm so excited. I hope the Guild loves it. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's in the box. You know, my new format is... You know, I really just wanted to bring you guys and share this with you. I mean, it's more fun when we do it together. So thank you for being with me in the sewing room as I open the boxes and for sharing my excitement. And if you are in the Austin area, please come Monday. I'll put a link down below to our website that has all the information. Please come and join us. We'd love to have you. All right. Please come and join us. We'd love to have you. And until then, never forget. Hi, kitty cat. Please, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, he's old. He's old. This is my old boy. All right. Hi, sweetheart. He's so beautiful. He is beautiful. And never forget that you make the world more beautiful just by being in it. I'm Amy, and I'll see you next time.